The most magnetic people you know aren't trying to attract anyone, and yet people gravitate toward them without being asked. So what exactly is pulling people in? Nobody visits an apple tree because they're fascinated by the tree. They come for the apples. They pick what nourishes them. And the tree doesn't chase them, doesn't wonder why they left. It just keeps growing. Here's the thing. People work the same way. Your wisdom, your calm, your results, the way you show up consistently when everyone else disappears, that's your fruit. And when the fruit is good, people come naturally. You don't have to invite them. You don't have to remind them. They just keep showing up. But if there's no fruit, they find another tree. Nothing personal, just nature. Now here's where it gets interesting, because this idea does two opposite things to you at the same time. It pushes you forward, because if you want more people drawn to you, the answer was never to be louder, more visible, or more likable. It's simpler than that. Grow better fruit. Work on your roots. Build something real. The kind of depth that takes time and shows. And at the same time, it keeps you grounded, because you start to realize nobody's actually here for you. They're here for what your life produces. And the moment you really sit with that, something shifts. You stop taking attention personally. You stop performing for people who were never going to stay anyway. And suddenly, you have a lot more energy because you stopped spending it on the wrong thing. So stop wondering why people aren't attracted to you. Wonder instead what you're producing, because when the fruit is good, nobody needs an invitation. They just show up. If this made you think, you already know what to do next.